Okay, what happened, Lemon Drop? Tell me. Tell me what happened. What was you telling me? You said Nigel went to work without me. That's so sad. You want to talk about it? Yeah? Alright, well, you explain it to me, sweetheart. So, you really want to go to work with Nigel? Do you? Yeah? I don't know how we're going to make this work. Bring your bird to work day, I guess. You have to tell him. Say, bring me with. He just got done telling me that Nigel did not bring me with. That's a new one. He said he went to work, did not bring me with. Aww. So what happened? Tell me. What happened? You want to talk? No? Okay. Let's go see what... Is this Miss Princess? Miss Princess was biting my ear and screaming because I was pushing her off of my ear. So she's not happy with me. I gotta let Mommy's ear heal up. I know, it's the end of the world. You hate that. But Mommy is gonna feel better. What's wrong with you? Are you okay? What did you got in your mouth? What did that say? World's okayest cockatiel mom. And you guys chewed it up. It's hard to have stickers without bites on them. Yeah. Are you mad at me? You're